Hey, I'm Travis Street with CTS Multifamily IT Solutions, and we are here at Apartmentalize in sunny San Diego. One of the things I like about visiting these events is the fact that you get to really check out and see what all the cool amenity vendors are that are here and see potential technologies that we can offer our clients and help them with any new renovations or new construction developments. When we go to these events like this, we always like to go around and look and see who the vendors are and kind of highlight them as well. So let's go ahead and check out and see some cool stuff. So another vendor I'd like to highlight today is a company called SightPlan. They've been in the space for quite some time, and they solve a unique challenge that a lot of apartment communities deal with, and that is you've got a busy leasing staff and you don't always have time to answer the phones. And that's where SightPlan comes in. They've got a really cool answering service where you forward your phones of your property to them if you don't answer the phone, and they take over, they handle the rest. It's nice because they actually create a ticketing system that the residents can access as well for maintenance requests or any other kind of a service request as well. It integrates into all the popular systems, RealPage, Yardi, Entrada, and it works really well. So if you're interested in learning more about them, you can give us a shout at ctsmultifamily.com, and we'll hook you up with them. So.